In this video, I want to demonstrate how to insert model items just into a single view. For example, in my left side view, I need the depth of this slot to add it. So first, I'm going to come up to the annotation ribbon. Then I'm going to select model items. Next, I'm going to come down. I'm going to uncheck import into all views, and I want to make sure the source is just the selected features. And my destination view, I'm going to tell it is just the right side view. I'll zoom in a bit here so I can see it easier. Sorry, the destination view is the left side view. Now I want to select the feature. All I really want is the depth of this slot. So I'm going to select this entity here, and I get all kinds of dimensions. Don't panic. If we read up here, it tells us what to do with dimensions we don't want. So I don't want this dimension, so I'm going to right click on it and it goes gray. Same with this. I'm going to keep selecting all dimensions I don't want by right clicking on them. I'm going to left click on the dimension I do want and just drag and drop it over here. And I'll also right click on this to make it gray, and this, and this. So all the dimensions I don't want are gray. The dimension I do want, I left clicked on it and dragged it out. To remove these dimensions, I right clicked, and then when I say OK, every dimension I've made gray by right clicking on it will disappear, and just the desired dimension will be left. So then I'll fit that to the screen. And now this is linked to the model, so if I update that depth, my dimension will also update.